1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. My mama called, seen you on TV, and said things had changed. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I would be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hating since we changed, and look, we made it. Yeah, we made it. They were never friendly, yeah, I'm jumping at the Bentley, yeah, and I know it's so dramatic, yeah, but I know I had to have it, yeah, for the money I'm a savage, yeah, I've been itching like an addict, yeah, I'm surrounded 20 people, yeah, but they didn't know me last year, yeah, everyone wanna act like they're important, but all that meant nothing when I saw my door. Everyone counting on me, drop the ball, everything custom like I'm at the border, yeah, if you miss with me, then put your lighters to the sky. How could I make sense when I got millions on my mind? Coming with that nonsense, I just put it to the side. Ballin' since a baby, they could see it in my eyes. My mama called, seen you on TV, sunset things unchanged. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I would be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hating, say we changed, and look, we made it. Yeah, we made it. I was patient. I was patient. Now I scream that we made it. Now everyone, everywhere I go, they say congratulations. Young man, congratulations. I pick up the rock and I fall, baby. I'm looking for someone to call, baby. But right now I got a situation. Nothing but old Ben Franklin's. Big rings, champagne. My life is like a ball game. But instant, I'm in the trap, though. Pot so big called Super Bowl. Call the girls in the rolls. Top floor, lifestyle, honcho and Post Malone. I gotta play on my phone, you know when I'm on. Hunter Houdini is gone. My mama called, seen you on TV, sunset things unchanged. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they wouldn't worry nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hating, say we changed, and look, we made it. Yeah, we made it. Hey, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you enjoyed that cover, then please do me a favor. Don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future content coming from this channel. And also, I want to thank Enya Music for being today's sponsor and for allowing me to showcase this concert-sized black Nova ukulele, which by the way is made out of carbon fiber, so it's very durable, travel friendly, it's not going to warp in different weather conditions, and also it comes in a bundle with strings, a strap, and other accessories that will enhance the way you play this instrument. So click on the link in my description box below and grab a hold of your Nova ukulele today. Again, thanks for watching, and by the way, if you want to hear some more music, then click on that link right over there. It's going to take you to another one of my ukulele play-alongs that I know you're going to enjoy, and hopefully you break out your ukulele and jam along with me. So click on that link, and I look forward to seeing you right over there.